When it comes to designing a home that leaves a lasting impression, the entrance plays a defining role. It is the very first element that welcomes guests and sets expectations for everything that lies inside. A grand double wooden main door like this is not just a functional feature, it becomes the identity of the entire home. In this design, the use of premium teak wood immediately stands out. Teak is widely known for its strength, durability, and natural resistance to weather conditions, making it one of the most reliable choices for main entrance doors. Beyond its durability, teak wood offers a rich and warm tone that adds depth and elegance to the overall appearance. As you observe closely, the intricate CNC carving work is what truly elevates this door into a statement piece. These carvings are not randomly placed, they are carefully designed to create a sense of balance and symmetry. The floral and mandala inspired patterns reflect traditional craftsmanship while being executed with modern precision through CNC technology. The mandala patterns, in particular, bring a sense of harmony and completeness to the design. These circular and symmetrical elements are often associated with balance and positivity, making them a popular choice for main entrances. When integrated into a double door format, they create a powerful visual focal point. Another important feature is the perfect symmetry of the double shutters. Both sides mirror each other with precision, ensuring that when the doors are closed, the design appears as one unified artwork. This level of alignment requires careful planning and expert execution, especially when dealing with detailed carvings. The brass handles and knockers add another layer of richness to the design. Their golden tone contrasts beautifully with the warm teak wood, creating a luxurious combination. These elements are not only functional but also act as decorative highlights that enhance the overall look of the entrance. Lighting plays a crucial role in bringing out the beauty of such detailed work. The warm ambient lighting used in this entrance highlights the natural wood tones and emphasizes the depth of the carvings. As light falls on the raised and recessed areas, it creates soft shadows that add a three-dimensional effect to the design. The polished stone doorstep further enhances the entrance by providing a clean and solid base. This contrast between stone and wood creates a balanced composition, making the entire entrance look more refined and complete. The presence of elegant columns on both sides adds to the grandeur of the entrance. While they do not overpower the door, they frame it in a way that draws attention toward the central design. This framing effect enhances the overall visual impact and gives the entrance a more architectural feel. Another subtle yet important detail in this design is the engraving of Sanjesh construction. Instead of placing it as a bold or separate element, it is seamlessly blended into the central panel. This approach ensures that the branding becomes part of the design itself, maintaining the elegance and continuity of the carving. When designing a main door like this, proportion is key. The size of the door should complement the overall scale of the house. A well-proportioned double door not only looks grand but also functions smoothly, providing ease of access while maintaining structural balance. The finishing of the wood also plays a major role in the final outcome. A high-quality polish enhances the natural grain of teak while protecting it from external elements. Whether the finish is glossy or matte, it should highlight the texture without overpowering the design. Durability is another important factor to consider. A main door is exposed to various environmental conditions, so choosing the right material and finish ensures long-term performance. Teak wood, combined with proper treatment and finishing, offers excellent longevity with minimal maintenance. Maintenance of such doors is relatively simple. Regular cleaning and occasional polishing help retain the original shine and keep the carvings looking sharp. With proper care, a door like this can maintain its beauty for many years. Security is equally important when it comes to main entrance doors. Solid wood construction provides natural strength, and when combined with high-quality locking systems, it ensures safety along with style. Modern homeowners are increasingly looking for designs that combine traditional aesthetics with contemporary functionality. This door perfectly represents that balance. The traditional carving patterns are executed using modern CNC technology, resulting in a design that feels bold.
Customization is another key advantage of such designs. Every element, from the carving pattern to the handle style, can be tailored according to personal preference.
This allows homeowners to create a unique entrance that reflects their individual taste. At Sanjesh Construction, the focus is always on delivering designs that combine quality craftsmanship with premium aesthetics. Each project is approached with attention to detail, ensuring that every element works together to create a cohesive and elegant result. As you explore different entrance designs, notice how each detail contributes to the overall look. The wood type, carving style, hardware, and lighting all play a role in shaping the final outcome. Understanding these elements helps in making better design decisions. The use of floral and mandala patterns in this design adds a cultural richness that resonates with traditional Indian architecture. At the same time, the precision of CNC carving ensures that the design looks clean and refined, avoiding any sense of heaviness or clutter. Another aspect to appreciate is the depth created by the carving. Instead of a flat surface, the door features multiple layers that interact with light and shadow. This depth adds a dynamic quality to the design, making it visually engaging from different angles. The entrance as a whole creates a welcoming and luxurious atmosphere. It sets the tone for the rest of the home and leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits. Choosing a design like this is not just about following trends. It's about investing in something that will remain relevant and beautiful over time. A well-designed main door becomes a permanent feature that adds value to the property. As homeowners become more design-conscious, there is a growing appreciation for craftsmanship and detail. People are now looking for elements that stand out while still maintaining elegance and balance. Working with experienced professionals ensures that every aspect of the design is executed properly. From material selection to final installation, each step requires precision and expertise. At Sanjesh Construction, the goal is to turn design ideas into reality, with a focus on quality and durability. Every project is handled with care to ensure that the final result meets both aesthetic and functional expectations. As you continue to explore these designs, think about what suits your home best. Consider the style of your house, the surrounding elements, and your personal preferences. A well-chosen main door should feel like a natural extension of your home. Take inspiration from these ideas, but always adapt them to your own space. The best designs are those that reflect individuality while maintaining a sense of harmony. In the end, a main door is more than just wood and hardware. It is a statement, a welcome, and a reflection of the people who live inside. With the right design approach, it becomes a feature that leaves a lasting impression every single time. As we continue exploring this grand entrance design, let's take a deeper look at how craftsmanship and detailing elevate a simple wooden structure into a premium architectural feature. One of the most important aspects of such a door is the layering of design elements. Instead of treating the door as a single flat surface, it is divided into multiple sections, each carrying its own identity while still contributing to the overall composition. This layered approach adds richness and makes the design visually engaging. The central panels often act as the focal point, where the most intricate carvings are placed. These sections draw immediate attention and create a sense of depth. Surrounding these panels are supporting borders that frame the design and give it structure. This hierarchy in design ensures that the eye naturally moves across the door without feeling overwhelmed. At Sanjesh Construction, the emphasis is always on delivering designs that are both visually appealing and structurally sound. Every detail, from material selection to final finishing, is handled with precision to ensure a high-quality outcome. Choosing the right main door is not just about aesthetics, it is about creating an experience. From the moment someone approaches the entrance to the moment they step inside, the door plays a key role in shaping that experience. Investing in a well-designed door adds long-term value to the home. It enhances the overall appearance, improves functionality, and creates a lasting impression that stands out. As you explore more designs, keep in mind the importance of balance, proportion, and detail. These elements are what separate an average design from a truly exceptional one. Take inspiration from different styles, but always adapt them to suit your own space and preferences. A thoughtfully designed entrance should feel natural, welcoming, and complete. With the right approach, your main door can become more than just an entry point. It can become a defining feature that represents your home in the best possible way. As we continue to explore the finer aspects of premium entrance design, it becomes clear that true luxury lies in the details that are often overlooked.